peach herbal tea with loads of sugar in it. It tastes pretty good. And it's just more fun drinking it out of a cow horn. Oh, that is good. All right. I really love this fork and plate. Both of them are antiques. The fork is about 150 years old. It's from the Civil War era. The handle's made out of cow bone. This is my fancy camping wear. Well, now that we've had a fire in here for several hours, we're starting to figure out what the ground situation is. Over here, it is really soft. Like, look at this. That is just a big swampy spot right there. So I think we're gonna end up sleeping on this side.